Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question I get all the time. How can you make an extra $500 a month online? Whether you're looking to pay off debt faster, finally book that dream vacation to Bali, or just want some extra cash in your pocket to invest. This video is for you. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius, coding whiz, or have a million followers to make it happen. I'm going to break down 5 realistic, actionable ways you can start earning an extra $500 a month online, or even more, starting today. So grab a notebook. That phone you're probably watching this on is about to become your money-making machine, and let's dive in. First up, we're talking freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning money online, like legitimately today. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are packed with people looking for talented writers, graphic designers, video editors, virtual assistants, you name it. And the beauty is, if you have a skill, even if you think it's just a hobby, you can monetize it. Seriously. For example, let's say you're a decent writer. Hey, you understand English enough to watch this, right? You can easily find people willing to pay $25 to $50 per blog post to help with their website, marketing materials. Even their dog walking business needs a blog these days. Do the math, just 10 to 20 projects a month, and bam, you've hit your $500 goal. The best part? You can literally start today. Go create a profile on one of these platforms, set your rates, don't undervalue yourself, and start pitching. It's like online dating for making money, except way less awkward, I promise. Next, let's talk about my personal favorite passive income. This is where the real magic happens, guys. Selling digital products is a total game changer. Think about it. You create something once, and it can generate income for you over and over again. It's like printing your own money, but legal and way more ethical. So what kind of digital products am I talking about? Well, it could be anything from ebooks and templates to printables, stock photos, or even full-blown online courses. Let's say you're a budgeting guru. You could create an awesome budget planner or a social media content calendar. Everyone needs help with that, right? Package it up nicely and sell it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad for $10 to $20 a pop. Sell just 25 to 50 units a month. Totally doable with the right marketing, and boom. You've hit your $500 goal without lifting a finger after that initial creation. The key here is to create something high quality that solves a specific problem for people. And don't worry, you don't need to be a design wizard to make it look good. There are tons of free and affordable tools out there to help you. I'll link a video below on how to create and sell digital products with zero upfront costs. Yeah, you heard that right. Zero upfront costs. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, those other methods sound great, but I'm looking for something even easier. Well, my friend, have I got a deal for you? Online surveys and microtasks are your new best friend if you want to make some extra cash during your downtime. Think of it like this. Instead of scrolling through TikTok for hours, don't worry, we all do it. You could be getting paid to share your opinion or do some super simple tasks. Apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk will literally pay you for completing things like taking surveys, testing websites, transcribing audio, stuff you're probably already doing for free. Now let's be real. This method won't make you rich overnight, but it's an easy way to earn an extra $50 to $100 a month without even breaking a sweat. Combine this with one or two of the other methods we've talked about, and you're well on your way to hitting that $500 goal. All right, let's talk about another one of my favorite ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. Seriously, this one is a goldmine if you know how to work it. Here's the deal. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or even just a decent social media following, you can earn passive income by promoting products or services that you genuinely love and use. It's a win-win situation. You get to share awesome stuff with your audience, and you get a cut of the profits when they make a purchase through your unique affiliate link. For example, let's say you're obsessed with a particular brand of coffee. Who isn't? You could sign up for their affiliate program, share your referral link with your followers, and earn a commission every time someone buys their delicious coffee through your link. It's that simple. The key here is to be authentic and only promote products you truly believe in. Otherwise, your audience will see right through it. Last but not least, let's talk about a method that's both profitable and incredibly rewarding: teaching or tutoring online. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, whether it's English as a second language, math, music, coding, or even underwater basket weaving, chances are there are people out there who are willing to pay you to learn from you. Platforms like VIP Kid, OutSchool, and Preply connect you with students from all over the world, and you can set your own rates and schedule. You can literally teach in your pajamas from the comfort of your own home. Talk about a dream job. The earning potential is huge too. You can easily make $15 to $50 per hour, depending on your experience and the subject you're teaching. Just dedicate 10 hours a week, maybe a couple of evenings and a weekend morning, and you've hit that $500 a month goal. Plus, think of the satisfaction you'll get from helping others learn and grow. It's a win-win. And there you have it. 5 realistic, actionable ways to make an extra $500 a month online. Whether you choose freelancing, selling digital products, taking surveys, diving into affiliate marketing, or sharing your knowledge through online teaching, the key is to start. Don't overthink it.